Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make all TikTok videos private. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and double check if my TikTok needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and I'm going to go ahead to my browser. If you want to make all of your videos private, you could just go ahead and in the TikTok app, tap the profile at the bottom, and then tap the menu button at the top, and then tap settings and privacy, and then tap privacy, turn private account on or off. So I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my TikTok, right? And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile at the bottom right corner. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna click the three bars at the top right, and then I'm gonna click settings and privacy, go ahead to the privacy, and then make sure that the private account is in or colored in gray, and that means that your account is public to everyone. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.